So in this SeatGeek tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to change your password here on the SeatGeek application. So once SeatGeek is open up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom right hand side of your screen and press on the profile icon. Once you're on the profile page here, what I want you to do is to actually just scroll down to the bottom to where it says change password and simply just go ahead and press on that. Once you're on the save password or the change password page, what it wants you to do is type in a 6-digit code. So what I'll do here quick is actually type in that code, and once that is done, it'll proceed to the next screen. Then once you type in your password, simply just go ahead and type in your current password, then type in a new password, confirm that new password, then go to the bottom, press on the change password button, and there you go. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to change your password on SeatGeek. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.